सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लेने के लिए, और जो है क्लिक करें जो है बेल आइकन पर ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो प्राप्त करने के लिए। तो प्लीज़ जो है आप ऐसा करेंगे, मैं ऐसे ही आशा करता हूँ। तो चलिए दोस्तों, स्टार्ट करते हैं। This is black cauliflower. We or this ingredient you are seeing: sweet paprika, corn oil, black pepper, salt, cauliflower. This cumin powder, coriander powder, and this garlic powder, and all these ingredients we will use to make this baked cauliflower. So please see this video till last. You will find the everything in this video. This is the all ingredient of corn oil. We will fry now. We will show you how we will fry. Chef Vikas making this. Chef Vikas, this is the chef of liver. Good chef of liver. She put corn oil, also this sweet paprika, salt, pepper already put. Then we will fry this and we will show you. Okay.
One piece part, one does.
All these ingredients. We will put this in aluminum foil and we'll cook till 15 minutes in oven. Then let it cool. Okay. So this our red cauliflower will be ready. Temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Ya Allah, Bismillah.